Hey everyone, it's Marissa Leone, an attorney with Calidus Legal AI. In this video, I'm going to walk you through our discovery tool. Our discovery tool is great for when you have a large volume of documents that you need to review. If you go to our homepage, you can find the discovery tool under the AI Litigation Solutions column on the left-hand side. Add a discovery initiative by clicking the button on the top left corner. You'll want to include as much information as possible about the types of documents that you're uploading, including a description of the documents, your causes of action, background information around your case, and the areas that you'd like to focus on for your document review. Once you create your discovery initiative, go ahead and click the matter to get started. You'll be prompted to upload your files on the left-hand side. You can drag and drop documents. As the documents upload, you'll be able to see them on the right-hand side under the file viewer. To check the status of your document uploads, take a look at the blue box on the bottom right corner. Once you are done uploading documents, click Finish at the very bottom. Once you are done uploading your documents, you can find your report in the middle tab called Relevance Report. You'll see a high-level summary of the findings in your documents, as well as a list of the documents ordered by relevance, as well as tagged by the critical focus areas that you marked at the beginning of your workflow. If you have any questions about the documents that you've uploaded, go ahead and type your questions in the chat. You'll get a response in the chat box. If you go back to the Relevance Report tab, you can also see a more detailed review of your documents. If you scroll down, you'll see a button that says View Timeline and Statement of Facts. You can push your review of the documents to our module called Timeline and Statement of Facts. I have a separate video that walks you through the Timeline and Statement of Facts module. You can find that video in the Timeline and Statement of Facts module. Please reach out to support@calidusai.com if you have any questions. Good luck.